Hello, my name's Dara and today we're going to be making a magical worry catcher to catch all your worries. For this craft you will need 2 small paper plates, thick cardboard, some coloured string, a pipe cleaner, felt tips, scissors, a pencil, tape, a stapler and a hole punch. So let's get making. First, get your thick card and draw out some big and small shapes for your worry catcher. I've chosen moon, stars and lightning strikes, but you can do clouds, planets, hearts, any shape you like. Cut out your shapes and pierce a hole at the top of each of your shapes with a hole punch. Now get one of your bigger shapes and cut tiny slits all the way around the edge. Take a long piece of string and tape one end onto your big shape. Now start to weave your string around your shape using the little slits to secure the string in place. Continue weaving your string till your shape is covered. Then secure the end with tape. Repeat this process on each of your shapes using a combination of different coloured strings to weave it around it. For the smaller shapes, you can use coloured felt tips to decorate. Once all your shapes are finished, loop a length of string into the hole in each shape. Use different lengths of string for your shapes so they cascade down when you hang them. Now get your 2 paper plates and staple them together. With your hole punch, punch a hole in the top of your plates and 4 holes around the bottom of your paper plates. Thread your pipe cleaner through the top hole and secure by twisting the end. You can wrap a pencil around your pipe cleaner to give it a decorative twirl. Thread your shapes through the holes at the bottom of your paper plate and tie at different lengths to secure. Finish off by colouring in your paper plates. Finished! Brilliant! Your worry catcher is now all finished. You can hang it over your bed and it will catch all your worries and bad dreams while you sleep. Thank you and goodbye.